everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make a fun end-of-the-year gift for teachers. I picked up a few bottles of wine and some wine glasses to give to my kids' teachers for their end-of-the-year gifts. Let's have some fun with these and customize them. These wine glasses will get washed over and over, so the first step we need to do is to clean off any oils with one of these alcohol swabs. Just clean the area you're going to put the vinyl on and let it dry for a few minutes. For any project that is going to get washed, definitely make sure you're using permanent vinyl. Cut out your vinyl and stick it down on a green mat. Use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Pop it into your Cricut machine and it will do the hard work for you. For weeding small writing, I like to use this nail polish holder to collect the vinyl. Use your weeder tool and pull off the background. Grab a piece of transfer tape, a little bit larger than your design, and use your scraper tool to stick it to the vinyl. I have my wine glass ready, so I can just grab my design and put it into position. When you're happy with the placement, stick it on. For rounded objects like cups, start sticking the vinyl down in the middle first, and then work your way out. I do one side at a time, and I'm not too worried if the transfer tape folds over a little bit between the words. Once it's all in position, use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl down really well to the cup. Peel off the transfer tape, and this wine glass is done. Let it cure for 3 days before you use it, and then after that it is safe to wash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.